Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Assalamu alaikum, my shining stars. I am Asra Gulzar. I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome in English class. My dear students, today we are going to learn about past perfect tense. So today our topic is past perfect tense. So first of all, let's discuss SLOs of today's lecture. Beta, after this lecture you would be able to tell definition of past perfect tense. You would understand the structure of the tense. You would understand the identification of the tense, and you would be able to use this tense in your daily life and translate the sentences into English. Now, what is past perfect tense? Beta, the past perfect tense is used to refer to actions that took place and were completed in past. So those actions that were started in past and completed in past before another past action are called past perfect tense. I am repeating. An actions that completed in past time are called past perfect tense. For example, I had played. She had played. He or she had played. So the identification of past perfect tense. But in Urdu sentences, these sentences ends at चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, वो पानी जैसे वो पानी पी चुका था, हमने खाना खा लिया था. बेटा, इसमें ये अलिफ या भी आता है एंड पे. उसने चाय पी ली थी, वो आ चुका था, वो जा चुका था, हम सो चुके थे, अहमद वज़ू कर चुका था. और इसमें बेटे इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस वी यूज़ हैड एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. Had is used as a helping verb and we use third form of verb in past perfect tense. Here are the sentence structures of positive, negative and interrogative sentences. In positive sentences, the structure is subject plus had plus past participle plus object. Past participle means we use third form of verb. Negative, subject plus had not plus past participle means third form of verb plus object. Interrogative, had plus subject plus past participle plus object and then question mark. Examples are also given. The positive sentence, in positive sentence the example is structure is given, then the example is also given. She had finished the test. And in negative, she hadn't finished the test or she had not finished the test. Had she finished the test? Okay, next is usage, where we use to describe an action finished before an other past action. For example, Richard had gone out when his wife arrived in the office. Okay? Describe an action that happened before a specific time in the past. Before a specific time. Christine had never been to an opera before last night. To describe cause and effect. Okay? The cause and effect of something. I got stuck in traffic because there had been an accident. So this is the cause and effect. To emphasize the result of an activity in the past, the activity that happened in the past, so we use this tense to emphasize on that activity. I had been to London twice by the time I got a job in New York. So these are this is the usage of past perfect tense, and you have seen the examples as well. My dear students, here are some examples. You can see the use of this tense in sentences. The baby had cried before her father came. Okay? So we are using had and third form of verb. Had the water boiled when you went to kitchen? By the time I returned home, he had already left. When I came home, they had already eaten the meal. जब मैं घर आया तो वो पहले ही खाना खा चुके थे. He began to run after he had seen the cat. I had never seen such a nice beach before I went to Hawaii. I had lived in London before I moved to Paris. पेरिस मूव करने से पहले मैं लंदन रहता था. She had washed her hands before she cooked the dinner. खाना पकाने से पहले वो अपने हाथ धो चुकी थी. Did the students go home after they had visited the library? I returned home because I had forgotten my notebook at home. मैं घर वापस गई क्योंकि मैं अपनी नोटबुक टेबल पे ही अपने घर पे ही भूल चुकी थी. So these are the examples of past perfect tense. I hope you have understood the concept, the structure, definition, identification and the use of past perfect tense. Take care my dear students. See you next lecture. Allah Hafiz.